If you turn the key in your Ford Ranger and hear absolutely nothing, you likely have a break in the starting circuit. Statistically, over 85% of these silent start issues are caused by simple electrical failures rather than mechanical engine death. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where your power is getting lost. Always start with the basics by verifying your shifter is in park and checking for loose battery terminals. If your battery voltage is low or a ground strap has rusted off the frame, the starter won't even click. Rangers are notorious for broken ignition actuator rods, which prevent the key from actually triggering the switch. If you hear a click, it is the starter. If you hear nothing at all, look toward the ignition switch. Cleaning your terminals costs pennies, while a full starter replacement at a shop can exceed $300. Use a multimeter to check for a 12-volt signal at the starter solenoid when the key is turned. Keep a basic set of wrenches and a terminal brush in your truck to handle these common electrical gremlins. Remember, a loose wire causes the same silence as a dead engine, so always check the simple stuff first. With these steps, you will find that break in the circuit and get your Ranger back on the road.